Is it time to buy or sell Kratos Defense and Security Solutions stock? In this video, we will explore Kratos Defense and Security Solutions in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 7th of August, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 23rd of April, 2025, our system has identified Kratos Defense and Security Solutions as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.19. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have realized an impressive gain of 79.25% since we initially categorized Kratos Defense and Security Solutions as a buy candidate 74 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.07% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, with indications of further increases anticipated within this trend. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 83.86% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 70.23% and 99.20%. When considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis predicts a projected change of about 91.72%. According to our assessments, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 22.38% and 97.37% over the next year. In current terms, this means the future price could be expected to fall between $72.30 and $116.61. Our latest daily update for Kratos Defense and Security Solutions includes the headline: Kratos Defense and Security Solutions stock price ended at $59.08 on Thursday after gaining 0.255%. The Kratos Defense and Security Solutions stock price gained 0.255% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 7th of August, 2025, rising from $58.93 to $59.08. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.13%, with a day low of $56.86 and a day high of $59.21. The price has been experiencing ups and downs during this period, resulting in a 0.72% gain over the last 2 weeks. Additionally, volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 74,000 more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 3 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $206,680,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $62.80, while the lowest price was $17.91. Currently, the price is 5.92%, or $3.72, below the 52-week high of $62.80, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Kratos Defense and Security Solutions, trading under the ticker KTOS, recently reported its second quarter 2025 financial results, showcasing a notable revenue increase to $351,500,000, up 17.1% year over year, with organic growth contributing 15.2%. This positive performance underscores the company's strengthening position within the defense and security sector. The reported operating income stood at $3,700,000, while net income reached $2,900,000, despite high non-cash stock compensation and research and development expenditures. Additionally, Kratos has increased its full-year revenue guidance and adjusted earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, which reflects confidence in sustained demand for its products and services, especially in emerging technologies like hypersonic systems and satellite communications. This is further highlighted by a new partnership with HiSky to enhance their Internet of Things capabilities via a cloud-enabled network architecture. The consolidated book-to-bill ratios indicate a promising order intake, with a current quarterly ratio of 0.7 and a strong annual figure of 1.2. This suggests that Kratos is poised for continued revenue growth, making it an attractive option for investors looking for stability and potential upside in the defense sector. In the short term, these robust earnings and strategic partnerships are likely to bolster investor confidence, potentially driving KTOS stock prices higher. In the long term, as defense spending continues to rise and Kratos expands its market reach, the company may further capitalize on increased government contracts and commercial opportunities, reinforcing its growth trajectory and enhancing shareholder value. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 22nd of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned KTOS a market outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 18th of July, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald rated KTOS as overweight with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Noble Capital Markets assigned KTOS an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 30th of June, 2025, Goldman Sachs gave KTOS a buy rating with an upgrade recommendation. On Tuesday, the 4th of February, 2025, JMP Securities rated KTOS as outperform with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Kratos Defense and Security Solutions stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also receives a sell rating. In terms of return on investment, the analysts continue to rate the stock as sell. The following signals have been identified for Kratos Defense and Security Solutions. The stock of Kratos Defense and Security Solutions holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support is expected at levels $58.62 and $51.52. A breach below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Notably, there is an increase in volume alongside the rising price, which is considered a strong technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, potentially impacting short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, July 25, 2025, with a decline of 1.15% observed thus far. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 10 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 20 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 55 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 84 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 96 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Kratos Defense and Security Solutions. Kratos Defense and Security Solutions finds support from accumulated volume at $58.78. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. The prediction interval from the Bollinger Band suggests that this stock is considered to be high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $2.35, representing a change of 4.13%. In the last week, the stock has averaged a daily volatility of 5.48%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Kratos Defense and Security Solutions, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. An extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such high ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 9 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Kratos Defense and Security Solutions. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Kratos Defense and Security Solutions is at $59.12. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Kratos Defense and Security Solutions faces its first support level at $58.78. If this support level remains intact, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Kratos Defense and Security Solutions from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 1st of August, 2025, Rock Stacy G conducted an insider sale of 1,745 shares of common stock. On the 1st of August, 2025, Rock Stacy G conducted another insider sale of 2,255 shares of common stock. On the 28th of July, 2025, Fendley Stephen S. conducted an insider sale of 5,333 shares of common stock. On the 28th of July, 2025, Fendley Stephen S. conducted another insider sale of 1,472 shares of common stock. On the 28th of July, 2025, Fendley Stephen S. conducted a further insider sale of 195 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 4.851. Overall, insiders purchased 303,457 shares and sold 320,169 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $56.57, reflecting a decline of 4.25%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a higher level of risk. Furthermore, a sell signal has been indicated from a pivot top that was identified 9 days ago. Is Kratos Defense and Security Solutions stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may represent a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Kratos Defense and Security Solutions stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 8th of August, we expect Kratos Defense and Security Solutions to open lower by approximately 697 cents and start trading at $58.38. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.